Communications network systems. Communication basics. Changes in communications network systems. Using electricity as a means of communication. The development of the telegraph and telephone. Morse used a combination of longs and shorts in the time for electrical flow to create the Morse code. He succeeded in communication using this code in 1844. In 1876, Graham Bell invented the telephone. This was a big thing because it changed the human voice into electrical signals and transmitted them. Even today, telephones are the most important way of communications. Transmission technology and switching technology has progressed with the spread of telephones. These technologies form the base for progress in data communications. From single computer processing to computer networking. The computer was developed in the 1940s. It has made remarkable progress with times. For example, much faster speed, more advanced capability, more compact devices, more diversified applications, more enhanced software, and more reliable technology. From its introduction in the 1940s to the 1960s, the most used forms were a standalone machine and a single machine to which multiple terminals are connected. The first example of connecting a computer using communications technology was developed in the USA in 1958. It was the SAGE, Semi-Automatic Ground Environment, system developed for military purposes. In 1964, the SABRE, Semi-Automatic Business Research Environment, system was introduced. It was a seat reservation system used by American Airlines. Online systems, where data sent from the remote sites was processed by the host computer located in the center, were also developed in various application fields. After entering the 1970s, the U.S. Defense Department achieved a computer network. It was called ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency, NET. This developed into a computer network with information exchange and sharing with multiple computers connected by communications lines. The communications technology and information processing technology that had begun with telegraphs and telephones entered a new age. The ARPA network grew to connect universities and research centers around the world. It evolved into what was called the Internet. Later, it was used on a commercial basis. Companies and homes were connected one another to make what we know today as the Internet.